Hello
There.
guys, and in today's video, there is no
I
intro
finally
because I'm
saved
actually
it.
wanted by the FBI. Yippee! So, in today's video, we're actually gonna be reviewing bombs. So, firstly, we got smoke bomb, which goes in last. I don't like it. It just kind of lags out servers. And then next, we got this one. You just kind of build stuff, and it's really expensive. I don't like it that much, but in third place, we have the Freezy Bomb, because you can freeze people. Second place, we got the normal bomb. It just costs a lot of money, and it's not that reliable. But first place, we got these ones, because you can just kind of fly. And you can just kind of chuck them at people. Like that guy. Like that dead body. You can just keep chucking them. Okay. Now it's on to the big boy blocks. Big boy blocks. Okay. In last place, we have smoke bomb again. Bro. I just don't like smoke bombs, bro. Gotta understand that. For fourth place, ice bomb. Oh no. Hold on. Technically, it goes in third place again, cause they didn't add a big block of these and add one of these a big block. So now we just go on to second and first. This one, it just ain't that. Dead body, stop doing stuff. You're dead. You're supposed to be dead. No, stop. I can't find
He's
my
had me in it.
camera.
He's had me in this basement for 3 years. You
Yeah.
gotta let me out. He's forcing me to edit his videos. Help me!
Uh, well, in first place we got this one because you can do funny stuff like this.
America!
Yo, bro, what does this button do?
Don't do that, bro. That's where my family lives. I have a son. I have 2 dogs. I have my cat, Mr. Booty Fart. No, please. Ah,
Yeah. Uh-oh.
my
I just thought of the police.
house. My house.
Stop it. Yeah, so you can do funny stuff like that. And I blew up your house. How does it feel?
That's it. I'm ending it all.
Yeah. Uh-oh. But, and that's the reason why I'm wanted in 70 countries for bomb.
Take me.
Plug.